Now I'm coming to the next one. You just need to pull this tab back. Yeah, this is way too dead. Air should be going in from this side. So I think the best way to get the foam back in is to start at the back. Push it in. Hi guys, so welcome back to today's video. On today's video, I'm going to be changing a cabin air filter which is located right here. So to get to the cabin air filter, you'll need to remove this cover. And to remove this cover, you'll need to untie these two clips. You just need to twist them, then they come off. If you don't want to use your hand, you can also use a screwdriver. Now I'm coming to the next one. So you'll need to remove this. Then to remove this foam, you'll need to pry at the in the front first. Then prying in the front first. Then after that, you'll need to be pulling it out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Now just need to remove it like that. Then here we go. This part right here, you just need to pull this tab back. It will slide like that. Then the cabin filter will be exposed. Just like that. The cover is out. Already we can see the dead that's in here. Not ready for this. Okay. So because this is not going to be used anymore, I don't care how you take it out. So just take it out. Yeah, it's very dead. Very dead. Oh. Yeah, it's very dead. Yeah, this is way too dead. Look at it. It's way too dirty. This was made on the 27th of June in 2017. This is the original air filter. It's a main filter as well. So yeah, this has done its job. So now you can throw this away. So this is the replacement cabin filter with the same part number as the original one from the factory. Is the correct part number. So if you're not sure, you can just check the part number from the old cabin filter, then look at the new one that you're gonna get from the seller. Then you're gonna know whether it's the correct part or not. All you need to do is just to take it out. Okay, so here's the new cabin filter. So this was manufactured on the 21st of July in 2023. So it's written like this: airflow. So this means air should be going in from this side, coming out to this side, because airflow needs to go out from this part. So that's how it goes back in. So now let me just take it out, then try to put it in. Okay, so
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I know you told your friend you're not okay.
now the filter is in. What's left to do is just to slide this part right here. Get this part in right here. Then slide it up. So if you can look right here under the filter, there are some holes where this piece needs to go in and slide through. So I'm not sure if you can see these holes. There are these holes right here. These holes. This is the holes where these should go in. Okay, now that all is lined up, slide it to the front. This is now secured, so the cabin filter is now properly secured. And now we're good. So the next thing to do is just to put back that cover, so the foam goes back to its original position. So I think the best way to get the foam back in is to start at the back. So start at the back, then push it in at the front. So make sure that the foam goes in on this piece right here. You should make sure that it goes in on this plastic piece right there. Then after going in there, push it in, push it in. There it is. The foam is in on the other side, so now it needs to go in the front. There it sits, so it needs to go and sit on this part. So you can see the foam is now in. Everything is perfect. Just make sure that these heater lines are now out. So this is how everything should be. Now get those two clips back in. Get the first one on here. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, we out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never